Sit. Hunt him up. Let's go. Hunt him up. Come on. He hasn't seen a bird since April. And he only saw about 10, so this isn't going to be great either.
Are you coming, Chuck?
Hey, here, come on.
They're starting to come from this way, Mike. There we go.
Here. Get over there. Here. Satch, here.
It's right to the right of the ribbon. There it is.
Here, Satch. Picking up old scent. If the bird is over. Oh, it's over here.
There it is. He's got it.
You think?
I think so.
I'll kick it and you shoot it. No. Good boy. Here. Satch. Here. Satch. Here. Come on. Heel. Sit. Hold it. Drop. 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 Thank you.
Yay!